Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website for your courses, here you can see this is the best option for you. So this is a professional website that is built on WordPress platform and Astro theme. So just you can create your own courses and you can sell those courses online. So just you can add more and more courses and generate your revenue. Here you can see. Let's see how we can build this type of website. It has a header menu that has logo section, menu section, as well as button. After that it has body section, and on the background it has a big image. After that, here you can scroll down and let's see, these are some other sections. So in the footer it has social icons as well as footer menu and contact details. So let's see how we can build this type of website without any programming or coding skills. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form. But before that, you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that, just you can scroll down. Here you can see these are some options that you can add. And after that, just click here and make payment. After that, you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that, in dashboard, here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that, just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company, hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name, latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down. Here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here. The first one, WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that you can select WordPress plugin, and after that if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that scroll down. Here you can select one of theme. The next you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here, appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that, you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security. But I already have SSL. You can see this is a site lock, so that means my website is secure. After that, you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free version. And after that I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option, select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, our website has clean and simple interface, but we want to add this professional design and functionality. So let's see how we can get this. Just go to dashboard. Here you can see. After that, you can scroll down and find the appearance, then go to starter templates. Scroll down. Here you can find out a button, build your website now. Now you can select Elementor page builder. Here you can find out hundreds of pre-built WordPress themes that comes with Astra theme. So just you can search with a keyword, or also you can select these categories according to your business. For example, I can add a keyword education. So here you can see these are all the templates related to education as well as other categories. So just we can select one of these templates. Here you can see this is the template. After that, here we can add a logo file. If you don't have any logo, just scroll down. Here you can see skip and continue. So now you can select a color scheme and a font style, then click here continue. So here you can see this is the form. Just we can fill out this form by adding name, email and some other options. So make sure that you have checked these boxes. After that, click here submit and build my website. So here you can see this is the final result. If you want to change this logo, just you can go to customizer, and on the customizer page here you can see header builder. After that, go to site title and logo. So now you can add your own logo file. After that, here you can see the button, just you can click on the button. Here you can see on the left side you can change the text. For example, I can add get a code. So in this way you can edit anything. At this time, now if you want to change anything in the menu, just go to menu page, and after that here you can see it has multiple menus. Just we can select primary menu. After that, if you want to remove anything, just click here. After that, remove. If you want to add anything, just click here add to menu. So now you can see it has added. Now you can sort your menu by using drag and drop functionality. After that, click save menu. So now if you want to change this text and background images, just go to edit with Elementor. After that, here you can see, just click here on the text. Educations opens up the mind. So you can add global education institute. So in this way you can see the text is changing accordingly. After that, you can style your text, and here you can see the button, just you can click and link with any page. So now here you can see the image on the background. Just go to section settings. Here you can see 6 dots, then go to style tab. Here you can find out the image. Just you can add your own image. After that, scroll down. In this way you can edit any of these sections according to your requirement. So now you can get a professional website design within couple of clicks.